Hi, so I'm Daisy with Daisy Made Up, and I'm super excited you're here watching my video. And if you never came to my channel before, go ahead and hit the subscribe button below and turn on that little notification bell above to get future notifications on videos that I'm going to upload. And so today I'm going to be showing you a unicorn desk that I made, and I want you to see how I made it. I think it turned out fabulous, so let's get started. Well, thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, all unicorn lovers, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the button below, and turn on that little bell above for future videos. Thank you so much, and if you are going to make a unicorn desk of your own, go ahead and put comments below of what you're going to do differently or what you're inspired to do, or if you have any suggestions of what I should have done, please leave in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye!